Okay, for oiling and cleaning this machine, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start on the outside. So we're going to open up both sides, or open up both compartments to expose both the inside of the machine. We got 3-in-1 oil. You can use a thicker oil, you can use a thinner oil. 3-in-1 just seems to be like the best all around. We're gonna lubricate all points of metal on metal movement. So first thing we see is right here. We're gonna just put a drop of oil in there. Go up and down, just spread it out a little bit. Now we got this little thing right there. We're gonna put a drop right there as well. Do the same thing, rotate the flywheel. And if you come over onto this side of the machine, you'll see this little bushing right here. Put a little drop on there, that too. I'm gonna rotate the flywheel. That is just about it for the outside of the machine. Wait, close it up. Now for the bottom. We are going to remove 4 screws on the bottom. Set those aside. We're going to pull this plate off. As you can see, it's actually quite clean in here. If it were a real dirty machine, this whole thing would be just painted different colors. If you notice in here, we have a couple different joints. We have the cam on the inside. We're going to oil that. And we have these joints as well. Those are the main 4 points that we are going to oil. For the very back cam, what we're going to want to do is we're going to there's 2 ways to do this. Because I have a telescoping sprout, I can just elongate this and stick it back in there. But if you don't have one like this, or you can just take a straw and just push it down into her. Okay, we're going to push this down in there, put a couple drops on it. For back or for down in here, you are able to use a thicker oil. It sometimes is better and lasts longer, but your machine is not always faster. Rotate the cam or the flywheel so we can see the outside of that cam. A couple drops on there. We're going to rotate it. We're now done on the very bottom. What we're now going to do is we're just going to put the bottom plate back on. And we're going to tighten these screws down. For the first time around, you just want them snug, just so the plate or the bottom plate sits properly. And then we are going to tighten these down. Don't tighten them too much. Just tighten them just past snug, so they'll hold against the machine's rattling. But they do not crack the plastic. And we are now done.